If you're looking for dog's tick remover tools, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets Lover Channel presents Top 10 Dogs Tick Remover Tools Products. Number 1, by Tick Twister. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Ticked Off. Number 3, by TickEase. For more details about these dogs tick remover tools products, just click this circle. Number 4, by TickEase Products, LLC. Number 5, by H3D. Find these dogs tick remover tools at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by TickEase Products. Number 7, by CLAS. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Supper Pet Care. Number 9, by Coughlins. Discover more dogs tick remover tools ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Ticked Off.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.